It's here for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so nsembi aba wose yakasa efa ho wa wonim se ekuo de eye den kra na ekuo no sebe wo mo ya de kra na enipa ba ko mienu bi wo mo a sebe wo mo ya bad nuts answer na better as no subscribe na click the notification bell and no and the screen so sisia we ya the latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka it's here for police bi ne ho aba asem na sani wa we hu ne picture e wo screen so no police ne din e de Emmanuel Nyame ne din no eye me wan say omo aye de edin bi say eto wo so no expect say they will act according to their names wa hwe edin Emmanuel Nyame na say yes ye de Nyame ato at least act according to your name you hu say oh ampa ye de Nyame e na ato wo so. Now, police way he has been attached to the Motor Traffic and Transport Department. I have a friend of MTTD. Now, the AC and say police way ya cheno ya arrested no say oko defile a 14-year-old girl. Ya cheno a dosu Domestic Violence and Victim Support Unit for cheno this year ya April. Now. Cheno no yesi we defile a 14-year-old girl Ghana de yinim se sebe woni akola twempena na o 16 and below krana na one ne koda a defilement whether sebe it was her consent or not because you want to say defilement but there na one more can and say police na the girlfriend no it for munti asem ni you police penyi we now the girlfriend and this friend. Hey, Raddy. Now the girlfriend and this 14-year-old girl, no. Now 14-year-old girl, now one in the auntie and that etty and that police would date no just one in no etchimpina. It's just a police the auntie knew her not just one again. I be shining her not just say oh boom. When you see what Kofoidia na same way na see now. Ye chi police ni wie de call those who who said that be police na last time nye da ye chi ni wie no the see and say police the cry say wo fiancé just say wo bi a why na adwen say wo be ware no obi a ye be kasa ne girl lankasa enti ne girl lankasa e be grantee the bill the ne girl lankasa ye na say wo no and the police ni the two family members e be grantee the bill they stood as surety to grant the police bill of 40,000 Ghana cedis. Now, it's here for you can say will be a standing as surety and not just say what the who ebejina ho say what the ho ba say what be granted bill. Now BBAC you hold you more responsible. Into police no ne girlfriend and kasa eye ne fiancé and 14-year-old girl no police no on kasa wa girlfriend and sana na sebe one 14-year-old girl na hihye ho. Into no wo buy ena wone nebusuafo mienu omebeka twa police one say okay we oyeye dehye yenim say first na wakamo police one ho ena asema ba ena say be mo achi na tum enye hwe oyeye dehye ye be say yesi na nemu na ye grant ne bill because omonim say assembly there womebeka amanesi na womonim say police no wa hyehye na adwen mu say womo grant ne bill a wo bedwane. Now, I was saying that one granting the bill and there may no say police need a Jania just the phone numbers near with deactivating no. With deactivating the phone numbers near actresses Siciano police for air hat one more Womobejina and name say one more granting the bill no. Police for air hobo giddy into also umenia break because some person has never bought more so. Into almost many abre and I say woman who said that be police way answer the yebe posting about a yeko for India and now what a ye Kenya say a Yokumase what I say Garden City University in Cheho. Into your mother say Abia we join if you for India Akosheho into your book of Shishano or call her just say woman who are brantiano and that may say woman who may be a brantiano or the Nitiafa. Now, and no, and about the Kofoidia Circuit Court B, about Bonte, and the rulings about Bonte say, Woma Womujina, a branch and a name, wɔn produce the sum of 40,000 cedis to the police, or they should produce the policeman. You see, a policeman no. This actually teaches and this actually teaches us one thing. And the Ghana has said no, nkrofo bebre enim say ye grantee will bill la na nkrofo fi say ye ka say bill 50,000 na say wo call ya na say wo go to 50,000 na bi na ye grantee bill 50,000 na no go be ebejinemu ma wa say the bakono kwaka police for say oh me jinemu asemba e na metia sa 50,000 no. It could be say the bakono wo jinemu no sa 50,000 kra wo ni physically, but obey to me the ebia na saase bi akoto ho so na saase paper ni na asemba obey to me tia sa 50,000 no. Into the same thing ni into omo standing assurity no enye say womo call ye womo kotua ye womo entia, but indirectly womo catch police when say asemba ye betua 40,000 no 400 million and the asemba ba into court ruling say womo ntia sa aska no and say woman produce your brand no omo akɔhwehwɛ brand na woman hu nti ende womo ye omo adwen sɛ womo bo brand ne kra no asɛbe ne nim engu ase no wono ya ma sɛbe womo chikra akafom wo se ne nipa tie wono de wo dwen ne ho penti we dwane onu zi ebe chi na atum nti we dwane onu we dwane kemfa ne ho womo abɛboa no ɛyɛ ne girlfriend ankasa ene ne fiefo ne busuafo mienu no we dwane atese on fa wo mo hoka na meanwhile no, the policeman was interdicted by the police administration. Actually say police one no etwe nejuma efri nsem police one je nejuma fi nsem because almost so say wo gu ejuma ne ho fi na sa branch here Emmanuel Dabi. This is not the first time the say abani ho. This is not the first time I said be when you back what that say asema ba ho. Yes, in 2015 you posted no ko ebri won't asemi you in 2015 4 years ago sa abrante Emmanuel Dabi ya you posted no ko ebri na wo ko ebri ho no woni abrante bi e Fred Ekufu Buafo a we di 35 woni abrante no eyere ekohyehyɛ ho yeso wono de nti okọ ebri no wokɔkye eye Fred Ekufu Buafo yere na tese wo bono tese wo de konimu obi a waware o a ye friend Esther Bram onle le yere hyehyɛ ho na Fred Ekufu no ebeto so nti Fred Ekufu no chi policeman film ni ye tese yes obona ma policeman who say hey we die civilian abobe tese Fred Ekufu no wo forget say brand a policeman no e no chi ne bo no nti e no nsensem ba ya ye hu say eye ne kre abrante no ene Fred Ekufu no ne yere ehyehyɛ ho no na police for wo mo posti wo mo transfer eye sa abrante we eye Emmanuel Dabi no ye transfer no free ebri eba eye Koforidua ende Koforidua ne nso no scandal aba we po eye de ye hu aye report you. So imagine scandals no de amba bonten de ebia family for ebe shemu a wo muka so asem we de ye de fi asem that is a branch de ni suban kasa no is a branch no ade a wo pepa no asem o therefore we dey want try one your comment box na we de it's something na asem we aba maka ma asem bi me pese me bo place no because we bo place na muli amobehu and also sa place na place bia police for nkwa enego na madam for bi sa time no ofri Kumase na wabetena ye area fresh na ofri Kumase na wabetena ye area no say police ni bi e ka wabo e wo ba bi hu ena sa madam for idi o say ono de o wano and no share your boss o sa policeman dey on 3 days pe say or the oba ne chi be ka form indeed 3 days pe and or the oba ne chi ka form for na what the abandoned car from me DAC you will fear na policeman here and the squad by and I will be so a branch and no shall say so more bono. Now you leave the ATM because he needs a offer policeman and a girl. But on one of area in low moon him is after go for bad no maybe some police say are they and a police to come and also say or no oba upon the hooker say a branch away afechi and a worry. It's for or more best policeman and S trainer. Na no crash ne bufu mo e ma ne bo abrantie no na asem no ya mfa nko enim ye ni say ye di ko enim a na ka policeman ye be china to because untumi ka say obi abeje o girl nti wo bu ni pa ko no etiamra but that time we didn't know better ni ye ni membra ne mu but eti for mo dem try waje comment box the moment I say